Ralph here once again and briefly. If you have a heat map as such and it is being cut off, meaning you try to adjust the size of the font, margins, so on and so forth, and nothing seems to be working, you may be required to upgrade Matplotlib. I'm going to show you how to do it through the notebook as opposed to a command prompt, let's say like conda install upgrade or conda upgrade all, so on and so forth. So we are going to go through basically JupyterLab and I'll show you how to do it. I'm trying to catch a few of those budding data analytic or data scientists out there before they attempt to downgrade the version, which I did and ran into some big mistakes. So I'll show you what I discovered. Go forth as such, import Matplotlib, print Matplotlib version, get your version first. Chances are you're 3.11 or something like that. Then pip install dash dash, if you want to say it that way, user matplotlib equal, and the updated version of Matplotlib as of this time is December 11th. So it's 3.3.2 is the upgraded version as of December 11th. All right, you may run into a problem sometimes. For example, you may have to basically upgrade your pip install, do dash dash upgrade dash dash user pip. Again, we are going through the notebook as opposed to going through a command prompt, so it's going to be a little different. All right, then check your version. You just go pip-v, for example, as such, and now I'll give you your version of pip. Now, for example, after we installed Matplotlib 3.3.2, say it that way, now it should show the upgraded version. Give it a second, give it a couple more seconds, 3.3.2. Ta-da! You see, there it is. And once you have that, you should no longer be getting this weird function. You should be getting something more akin to this right here. And to give you an idea, we can run start the kernel, and that will give you basically a nice view. And there's our heat map. And we want to change the size, make it a little easier to read. I think 25 was actually the ideal amount. And we can run it again. I won't put this code on YouTube unless requested. But however, though, the main code I'll put on there is this, which basically I commented out, and this. So you can basically get your upgrades. Don't make the mistake I did. I downgraded, and that created a massive numpy conflict, and you don't want that. You want this. Again, just something simple, basic, and enjoyable. When that heat map comes out, trust me, you'll be dancing around. Ralph signing off once again. Catch you later on, and see you next time. Bye.